In this segment, we'll do the grade distribution spreadsheet assignment number 2. The first step is to copy the grades from column A into column B and sort them. We've copied them into column B. Now we go over to sort and filter, sort from largest to smallest, and we don't want to expand the selection. We don't want the other numbers to move. We want to continue with the current selection so that only these numbers are sorted. Now that we've sorted the numbers, we want to compute the mean, median, and the mode. We click in column D, cell 11, right next to the word median. We go up to the sigma icon and we select average. Average and mean meaning the same thing. We select all the numbers in column B. Notice in the formula bar it's telling us we're computing the average of the numbers from cell B to cell B26. We click enter and we have our mean computed. We select the median cell next to the word median. We go up to sigma, we go to more functions. In select a category we go to statistical functions, then we select median. We scroll down to the word median, we select it, we say OK. It now asks us what cells we want to compute with. We select the cells in row B. Notice that the large box changes to this one that shows on the screen now that says function arguments, and it records the movements that we make with our cursor. When I let go of the mouse, the old box returns and it tells us what cells we're going to be computing. We click OK and we have our median. Now we want to compute the mode. We go clicking in the mode cell, we go up to the sigma icon, more functions again. Statistical is already selected, and this time we scroll down to mode. Click mode. The same dialog box opens up. Function arguments. Again, we select the numbers in column B. We get the cell range that we want. We click OK and the mode is selected. For some reason the mean figure is not being displayed in the center of the cell, so we click there, we go up here and we just put it back in the center. Next we're going to work on computing the frequency of grades in the different categories. We've already set it up so that A's are 90 to 100, B's are 80 to 89, C's are 70 to 79, etc. We've clicked in cell E2. We go up to the function bar. FX stands for function. We click on function, and instead of statistical that we had up here before, we go to all and we scroll down to frequency. Click OK. The data array are the numbers here in column B. So we scroll from top to bottom in column B. Notice that up here in the function bar it tells us that we're computing frequency from cell B2 to B26. Next we click on the bins array. The bins are the intervals that we have selected. We click on the intervals array and the cells C2 to C6 show up here just as they did up here, and here's the formula for the entire computation in this cell. We click OK and Excel tells us that there are 6 grades on the data array that fall into the category A. Now Excel is very smart. It enables us to, once we've put the formula in once, we can use it over and over again in different cells. If we just take our cursor and place it over the small black box in the corner of the cell, notice that it changes from the white plus sign to a black plus sign. This enables us to copy the formula that's in the cell. We copy down, and this gives us the formula for this gives us the results for all the computations for all the grades. This tells us all of the frequency distributions that we need. Next, we're going to calculate the percent of A's, percent of B's, percent of C's, etc. in the whole grade distribution. We're going to write a formula. Our formula is the number of A's divided by the total number of grades. We've counted up, and there are 25 grades altogether. This set of cells here has already been set to display its results as percentages, so we don't need to do anything there. We're simply going to write a formula. To write a formula, we start with the equal sign. It appears up here in the formula bar, equals cell E2 divided by, that's the slash, 25, which is the number of grades, and then we hit enter, and we get our answer of 24%. Just as we did over here in dragging the formula, we can drag the formula here and copy it down. Notice again how I make the cursor change to the all black plus sign, drag it down, and we get the percentage grade distributions for each of the grades.